guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to English with Miss Ria channel. And today I'm going to have the last workshop of English language teacher training from US Embassy, Relo, and organized by World Learning. So today I'm going to show you a little bit of my preparation before the workshop, so please keep staying tuned. Workshop today is held in Gedung Workshop Kota Palangka Raya. So this is the hall from Gedung Workshop, and I prepared some snack for my teacher, and this is the material. There will be some present or prize for teacher if they win the game later. So I have spread the candy, snack, chocolate bar, and put it on their desk. So next I'm going to give them the mineral water. Preparing the snack, also arrange the condition of the room. We prepare for the boat race game, and then also the screen I need to turn it on. Also the smart TV, I use both smart TV and then the LCD screen for showing them the slideshow PowerPoint. Okay. Move on to the next video, guys. So now I'm going to show you how I turn on the smart TV. So here I'm preparing for the board race game. These are the terms that they're going to compete later. This is the space the teacher will play. So here it is. So it's done. Stick the terms, the J-ELTT terms for PK on the wall. It'll be a fun game if teacher are running to mention which term that I read. Okay, see you on the next video. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. How's your day today? It's a hot day, busy day, fun day, tired day. Okay. If you're tired, then remember about the vacation. Because of what? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So it's about 6 p.m. in the afternoon, and I'm done cleaning all my stops and the seminar or workshop material and stuff to move to other building. So you'll see all clean after this. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the preparation of the last workshop of J-ELTT 2023 in Palangka Raya. See you again. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All clean. All my stuff has been brought to other building. So finishing my job today here in the hall. I forgot to move the broom here. Okay, thank you so much, Gedung Workshop, Ola Workshop, for having me and my teachers for the latest workshop today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Actually, we have some lamps blackout for the school area. I need to go to that building. This is my motorcycle. See you. I've been arrived in another building. This is actually girls' dormitory. Assalamualaikum. Alhamdulillah. These are my stops after the workshop.